Do you want to sound more like a native English speaker? Well, then you must know these 25 phrases.
Ever been confused watching an English movie or reading a book, and suddenly a character says, "break a leg," and you're like, "Wait, what? Why are they talking about legs now?"
You're not alone. Those aren't random words. They're idiomatic phrases, and they're a core part of how native speakers express themselves.
Idioms make language sound natural, emotional, and engaging. They also pack meaning into short, colorful expressions. Chances are, your language has them too.
You're listening to Let's Talk English, where we help you sound smarter, smoother, and more like a natural English speaker.
I'm Riya, and this is Alex. And today, we're giving you 25 idioms that every English learner should know. Let's jump in.
Our first phrase is piece of cake, means something that's very easy to do.
Examples. That exam was a piece of cake. Don't worry, fixing that bug is a piece of cake for him.
Our second phrase is bite the bullet. This means to face something difficult with courage.
Example. I hate going to the dentist, but I guess I'll bite the bullet.
Our third phrase is break a leg. Used to wish someone good luck, especially before a performance.
Example. You're going on stage? Break a leg.
Our next phrase is hit the hay, means to go to sleep. Example sentence is, I'm so tired. I'm gonna hit the hay.
Number 5 is hang in there. Tell someone to stay strong during hard times. Example sentence is, I know the job search is tough, but hang in there.
Our sixth phrase is once in a blue moon, means something happens very rarely. Example sentence is, he calls me once in a blue moon.
The next phrase is spill the beans, means to reveal a secret. Example sentence is, come on, spill the beans. What happened at the party?
The next phrase is cost an arm and a leg, means very expensive. The example sentence is, that designer bag cost an arm and a leg.
The next one is don't cry over spilled milk, means don't stress about what's already done. The example sentence is, yeah, you missed the train. Don't cry over spilled milk.
Our 10th phrase is, you're in the doghouse, means you're in trouble or someone's mad at you. The example sentence is, I forgot our anniversary. I'm in the doghouse.
Our next phrase is I'm all ears, means I'm listening carefully. The example sentence is, okay, tell me what happened. I'm all ears.
The next one is, the ball is in your court, means it's your turn to act or decide. The example sentence is, I've said sorry. Now the ball is in her court.
Our 13th phrase is a penny for your thoughts, used when you want to know what someone's thinking. Example sentence is, you're so quiet, a penny for your thoughts?
The next phrase is, take it with a grain of salt, means don't believe everything completely. The example sentence is, she exaggerates, so take her stories with a grain of salt.
Our 15th phrase is, actions speak louder than words, meaning what you do matters more than what you say. The example sentence is, don't just talk, do it. Actions speak louder.
Our next phrase is, don't judge a book by its cover, meaning don't judge someone or something based on appearance. Example, she seems quiet, but don't judge a book by its cover.
Our next is spitting image, meaning someone who looks exactly like another person. The example sentence is, she's the spitting image of her mom.
The next one is, a watched pot never boils, meaning if you wait too eagerly, time feels slower. Example, don't keep checking your phone. A watched pot never boils, she said. The message will come when it's ready.
The next one is put all your eggs in one basket, meaning to risk everything on one option. Let's look at the example, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Apply for multiple jobs, not just that one.
Our 20th phrase is birds of a feather flock together, meaning people with similar traits or interests stick together. Example, Sarah and Maria have become such good friends. They truly are birds of a feather, always enjoying similar activities and interests.
The next one is it's a small world, meaning used when you meet someone unexpectedly or realize connections. The example sentence is, "My manager is your aunt? Well, it's a small world indeed."
The next phrase is, don't beat around the bush, meaning, say what you really mean, don't avoid the point. Here's the example. Will you please stop beating about the bush and get to the point?
The next one is, "The early bird catches the worm," meaning people who act early get the best results. Let's look at the example. If you want the best seats at the theater, you need to be there early. The early bird gets the worm.
Next one is better late than never, meaning, doing something late is better than not doing it at all. Here's the example. I know I was late, but it's better late than never that I can help you with this project.
Our last phrase is, "Kill two birds with one stone," meaning solve two problems or achieve two goals at once. Let's look at the example. I'll kill two birds with one stone and walk the dog on my way to the post office. Phew! That was 25 idiomatic phrases, super useful and super fun.
How many of them did you already know? Let us know in the comments.
And don't forget to try using them in your own sentences. That's the best way to remember them.
Like, share, and subscribe to Let's Talk English for more fun ways to learn real conversational English.